Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What happened to the Santa rally? What happened? Bitcoin hit 108. We were expecting to go to 110, 115, but that didn't happen. And right now the market is kind of spooked and thinking that the Santa rally may never happen. For me, I think this is a buying opportunity. I know the 2025 is going to be great. I have a true conviction that it will be. So this is perfect entry points for me to get into my favorite cryptos. So today, let's cover some big Bitcoin announcements as well as what's going on in the crypto space right now. Guys, the purpose of this video is to let you know that things are still going to be great. Right now, this is a perfect opportunity to DCA. I know you've been hearing that forever, but I've been doing that since I got into crypto, and it's been very fruitful for me. So let's get into it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, please hit that like button. I am battling a cold right now, which is why my voice sounds kind of a little crazy, but pushing through, pushing through. It's the holiday week, guys. Hope you got all your Christmas shopping done. Hope you have some time off as well to spend time with family and friends. But let's take a look and see what we got right now. We see that the crypto market cap is at 3.28 trillion. That's a decrease about almost 2% over the last day. Trading volume is about 153 billion. Bitcoin dominance still nice at 57.3. ETH dominance at 12.2. So we look at the fear and greed. Fear and greed is currently at 70. So we're still in greed. You know, if you look at crypto Twitter and you know the different chats, you would think that we're pretty much in fear, right? Extreme fear, but that's not the case. You know, we're still above 90,000 Bitcoin, so that's still positive, guys. The sky isn't falling. But Bitcoin's at 95,000 right now. ETH at 33,000. XRP's $2.19. Solana 183, great buying opportunity. XRP still great buying opportunity as well, because we know XRP is at least going to hit the its past all time high, right, of over $3. So that's a sure bet. My financial advice. Doge, Cardano's under $1. We know Cardano's going to go up as well, as long as it continues the partnership that it has going on currently with the administration. And Avalanche is extreme buy alert for me. I mean, the thing was at $50 just, you know, almost a week and a half ago. And now it's down to this amount. Going to be a great buy. Chainlink, another one, was on the rise. And then because of the market sentiment, now things are going down. You know, I think another reason why, well, a few reasons why things are looking down right now. One, we had the hawkish view from Jerome Powell last week about only 2 rate cuts in 2025, yada, yada, yada. And after that, tech sold off. And obviously, crypto sold off a little bit too. But then it is tax season coming up. So a lot of people like to take some gains to prepare for taxes of next year. So we could be seeing a little bit of that too, a little bit of wash trading. So who knows? But that's what I think is going on. I think we're going to rebound very strong, very strong. SUI is down for the past 7 days, almost to only 10%. So $4.28. SUI's a good buy. Hedera didn't go down too much. Litecoin, anything under 100,000, I'm sorry, 100,000, under $100, I think is a good buy for Litecoin. I am going to stack some Litecoin a little bit, at least 10, because I think Litecoin could do very well this season. It's going to be the cheap alternative for newbies that don't know much to think that, hey, this is like the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Let me stack on this. Hey, maybe institutions too. I've already showed past videos where institutions are buying Litecoin, so don't sleep on it. I know a lot of influencers on this YouTube say Litecoin is trash, but at the end of the day, we as human beings always look for sales and look for the next come up. And I think Litecoin is going to be decent. Pepe is going to be a strong. Meme coin is down 22%. Goodbye. Near is my AI play, down 22%. Goodbye. A lot of good buys. Aptos, I think, is a good buy because Sui is going to be strong next year. And I think Aptos is pretty much the same type deal. They have strong on-chain metrics. If you look at their TVL, the users, they're just as strong as Sui. So watch out for them. ICP, I'm going to make a video this week about ICP. I know they have a strong ass community, man. And, you know, I got to just dig deeper into it. I think this may be something. But let's get on to what's going on here in the markets here in the US. We see the NASDAQ futures kind of trending up. S&P though and Dow still in the red for futures. The market's going to open here in about, let's see, 7 minutes. So we'll see what happens with that. But last week ending, Where were investors, venture capitalists, smart money? What were they buying? What type of cryptos were they purchasing? We said Bitcoin obviously was the strongest one, 375 million. That's down from the week before where they bought over a billion. Ethereum is up to 51 million purchased in the ETH. That's good. Solana had a sale of 8.7 million. And for the month, a sale of 22 million. A lot of people are concerned about Solana. I am not, but we'll see if this trend continues. Looks like a lot based on this, right? Just looking at this, it would support that people are taking their money out of Solana and putting it back in ETH. We'll see. XRP had an inflow of 8.8 million. XRP strong. The investors are in the XRP. Litecoin we just talked about, 600,000 inflow. Cardano 700,000 inflow, and Chainlink 1.7 million. So people are investors looking at these coins. So you probably should too. Now, big news. Arkham moved, or not Arkham, per Arkham, Mt. Gox moving more BTC. We know that there's big settlements going on, and they should be returning some Bitcoin to people that lost it. And they moved 49.3 million this morning, distributing 19 million to 2 fresh wallets and moving 30.6 million into a final wallet. So they currently hold 3.45 billion worth of Bitcoin. So this, even with this news, Bitcoin is still holding steady over 95,000. We'll see if this continues, but I'm not worried about this. Although, yes, this is concerning because, damn, you're like, damn, Bitcoin is just going down. We're trying to find some support. Now you get more FUD like this. But this is why you shouldn't worry. This guy, MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, they bought more Bitcoin for the 7th consecutive week, right? They purchased 561 million worth of Bitcoin, and they don't care what the price is. High, low, they're just buying and buying and buying. So, yeah, it's kind of crazy about Mt. Gox, but they're buying. And look at this. I would call this the Asian brother of MicroStrategy. Meadow Planet, a Japanese investment firm, purchased 60 million worth of Bitcoin. They've also engaged in the Bitcoin strategy, just like MicroStrategy. They're doing the same thing, and their stock has been ever since that's happened. So yeah, Mt. Gox, they can do whatever. Although I feel once that Bitcoin is returned to those investors, some may sell. They may sell for sure, but then you have others, a big percentage that's just going to hold. So although, yeah, it's kind of fuddish, but when you have that, you have people that will hold. You have MicroStrategy buying, Meadow Planet buying, a lot of little pensions and everything buying Bitcoin. El Salvador, the country of Bhutan, they're buying. It's just a matter of time. Then possible Bitcoin strategy or reserve strategy for U.S. and other countries going to happen next year. I don't mind it at all. That's why I say time is running out for you to be purchasing Bitcoin under 100,000. This is the time. If you want a DCA, I know it seems like a lot. $100, $200, $50, whatever it is, it's like a little savings account for you. Anything under $100,000 is a good buy. That's it. Time is running out though, because come 2025, I'm going to show you with this chart here, things are going to happen. This is per Crypto Rover. If you don't follow him on Twitter, he's a good analyst. He says the biggest Bitcoin gains occur right after Christmas, during the halving years, and we're almost there. So look at here. This is the halving, right, of 2014, and then look what, I'm sorry, of 2013, then look what happens after that, right? The following year just goes up. And then let's go to more recent here. We had 2020 was when we had the halving. And then the following year, 2021, boom. So you would say we're here right now, right? This is looking at the end of 2020. We had these dips right here, and then we hit January, little dip, and then we're just steady going up. Dips, steady going up. And this is where we're at right now, right? So we're right here, and then this green bar is going to be 2025, and where will Bitcoin go? Yes, we'll have some dips, but it's going to be much higher than it is right now. So that's all I'm saying. If history shall repeat, and it looks like it has been consistent for the past 3 halvings, this is what it's been looking like. Right before Christmas, right? We go down, and then come 2025, things just trend up. Things just trend up from the levels we were prior. So I'm excited, and I hope you are too. In other crypto news, we have Interpol issues red notice for Hex founder Richard Hart for apparently tax issues and assault. And the red notice, if you don't know what that means, just mean, hey, if you see this dude in whatever country he's in, because Interpol is international, arrest him, please. So that's what that's all about. I don't follow Hex. I never own Hex. But, you know, this is going on in news right now. Also, we have some unlocks coming up this week. WorldCoin, which I don't care for. Immutable X has an unlock. They have, let's see here, about 1.23% going to be unlocked December 27th. Celestia has unlocked December 23rd. Not that big of an unlock, less than 1%. Then you have, let's see here, Grass is going to be unlocked December 28th, 0.37%. And then we have Optimism, December 31st, 0.75% of the supply will be unlocked. Now let's take a look at DeFi. I think DeFi is going to be big. And Ethereum, we know rocks that, and they're killing it right now. But let's take a quick look at DeFi. We see for Ethereum, they have 66.5 billion. Whew. Solana's on the come up, though, 8 billion. And let's take a look. We have Sui, 1.6 billion. Avalanche, 1.3 billion. Aptos, 987 million. Remember what I said about Aptos and Sui? It's not that far off. 987 for Aptos, and Sui's at 1.6. Don't sleep on Aptos. Then we have ADA. ADA is up. I've been following ADA TVL for the longest time, and it's almost at 500,000, so that's good. 475 million. Let's see. Near is at 239 million total value locked. Say is at 212 million, and Hedera is at 163 million. Now, lastly, let's just look at daily active addresses. Sorry about that. Solana, 4.9 million. And Near, 4.1 million. Aptos, 931 million. I'm sorry, 931,000. Sui, 675. So Solana's killing it when it comes to daily active addresses, guys. I hope you can see that. So Near, 4.1 million. Again, Aptos, 931,000. Sui, 675,000. ADA, 33,000. And Avalanche, 32,000. But look at daily transactions. Solana, 68 million. Near, 7.7 million. Aptos, 3.3 million. That's daily transactions. 3.3 million. Sui, 5.5 million. Cardano, 59,000. Avalanche, just the C chain, 287,000. If you were looking at altcoins, not financial advice, and you just want to look at on-chain metrics, Sol, Near, Aptos, Sui are killing it. You might want to do your own research into these projects, especially with the altcoins going down right now. I'll pay attention to those. So guys, my voice is going out right now. Thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, if you like the video, please hit that like button. Talk to you later.